Hey, and welcome back to App Inventor Playground. In this episode, we are going to take a closer look at a section that is called "What Happens Next." And when you take the exam, you will get some questions about what will happen when the user do this, and what will be the next step. In this example, I have a little program. I have two buttons, a end button and a start button. And we also have a hidden or non-visible component, text to speech, that is set to Great Britain and English. If we go into blocks and take a look at what is going on here. The question is, when the user are going to use this program, he will do two things. The first is to hit this end button, and the next is to hit the start button. And the question is, what will happen when the user hit that start button? So, we know when this program is just doing nothing, it just waits for some event to happen. And that is the triggering of this end button. So when button end is clicked, we will put false into the variable button start enabled. Okay, so if I hit this one, the start button is grayed out. It is not enabled anymore. So when I hit this button, nothing will happen. That is the answer for this question. Nothing will happen when the user hit start.